In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link in Miro. First, sign into your Miro account and open the board you want to work on. Give the board a moment to load and zoom to the area where you plan to add links. If you're collaborating, make sure you have edit access so your changes will save. Now choose what you want to make clickable. You can link a sticky note, a shape, an image, or a specific piece of text. If you're linking text, highlight the exact words you want to turn into a link so only that selection becomes clickable. If you're linking a sticky shape or image, just click once to select it and look for the floating toolbar. With your item selected, open the linking options. You can click the three dots on the toolbar to expand more actions, or use the faster keyboard shortcut. Ctrl+K on Windows or Command+K on Mac. That shortcut takes you straight to the link field and saves a lot of clicks when you're adding multiple links. In the link field, choose link to, paste the URL you want, and confirm. If you're editing text, you'll also see a small link icon in the text toolbar. Click that, paste your URL, and apply. After you confirm, the linked object will show a small link indicator. To test it, select the object and choose Open Link or hover and click the link icon. If the link doesn't open, double check that you pasted the full address, including HTTP. There's also a quick way to create a visual card on the board. Paste the URL directly onto the canvas without selecting anything first. Miro will automatically generate an instant preview when supported, giving you a clickable card with the title and sometimes a thumbnail. You can drag this card anywhere, align it with your content, and use it as a clean reference to external docs, web pages, or videos. If a preview isn't available for a particular site, it will still appear as a functional link. A few helpful tips as you work. Keep your links descriptive so teammates know where they lead. For example, label a sticky with the document name before linking it. If you need to change or remove a link, reselect the item, reopen the link menu with the three dots or the keyboard shortcut, and update or clear it. And when you paste multiple links, place them near the relevant content to keep the board easy to navigate. That's it. Open your board, select an item or text, use the link menu or shortcut to add your URL, or paste a link straight onto the canvas for an instant preview. You're all set to link in Miro with clarity and speed.